In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT-5 features and access the latest tools the easy way. If you've been wondering how to get into ChatGPT, select the newest model, and actually start using the advanced features like file uploads, image editing, web browsing, and code generation, this guide is for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your web browser or in the mobile app. Once it loads, sign in with your account. If you already have an account, just log in normally. If not, create one first and then come back. The goal here is to get into your ChatGPT dashboard so you can access the latest available features. Next, look for the model selector. This is where you choose the latest model available to your account. Depending on your plan, you may see options like Auto, Advanced, or other current model names. If you're on a free account, you may still have access to some advanced models, but there will usually be limits on how often you can use them. If you have a paid plan, you may see more options and higher limits. So make sure you choose the newest available model before starting your chat. Now let's talk about the key features you can use. One of the most useful features is file upload. This lets you upload PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, and other files so ChatGPT can help you analyze them. For example, you can upload a PDF and ask, "Analyze this PDF and summarize it." That's a great way to quickly understand long documents without reading every page yourself. Another powerful feature is image editing and image understanding. If your version of ChatGPT supports it, you can upload an image and ask questions about it, or request edits depending on the available tools. This is helpful for creative work, visual review, and even basic design tasks. You can also use web browsing features when they're available. This allows ChatGPT to look up current information online, which is especially useful for recent news, product research, or checking live information. Just remember that browsing features depend on the model and your access level. And of course, one of the most popular features is code generation. You can ask ChatGPT to write code, explain code, debug errors, or help you build small scripts. Whether you're using Python, JavaScript, HTML, or another language, ChatGPT can help you get started much faster. Now here's where things get even better: smart prompts. If you want better answers, don't just type one short sentence and hope for the best. Give ChatGPT a complete task with context, goals, and details. For example, instead of saying, "Help me with marketing," try saying, "Create a marketing plan with steps and examples." That gives the model much more to work with, and you'll usually get a far better response. The same idea works for any task. If you want a summary, tell it what kind of summary. If you want code, tell it the language and the goal. If you want writing help, tell it the tone, audience, and length. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your output will be. So the simple workflow is this: open ChatGPT, sign in, choose the latest available model, explore the features like file uploads, image tools, web browsing, and code generation, and then use clear, smart prompts to get the best results. That's the fastest way to start using ChatGPT 5 style features effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.